Hey guys, today I'm back with these New Year's Eve nails, and when I think of New Year's Eve, I think of all things glittery and sparkly. So, if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my ring finger and my middle finger white. Then for my ring finger, I'm just stamping this black champagne flutes. And then leaving it on the dotting tool, I'm just using this gold glitter polish to fill in the champagne part. And then leaving that to dry on the side, I'm just applying some foil glue. And once that decal was dry, I just stamped it straight on my nail. And then for my middle finger, I'll be painting this clock with the midnight. So I just started off with painting the outline of the clock in gold. And then with some black acrylic paint, I just painted 12 at the top. And then 3. I wasn't painting the whole clock, so I only painted the corners of the clock, if you get what I mean. And then I just painted the arrows pointing up towards midnight. And then for my index and pinky finger, I just simply painted black. And then with that same glitter gold polish I used for the champagne, I just painted that all over my nail. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And on the glitter nails I just used a normal glossy top coat. And there you go, these New Year's nails. I can't believe that this year is over and we're going into 2020. Is it me, or did this last year just fly by? I just want to thank you all so much for watching my videos and your love in the comments. And I hope you all have a wonderful new year and be safe celebrating the new year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the new year. Bye!